Hi, so this question is keyboard rule. So given an array of string, and then you want to return the words that can be typed using a letter of alphabet on only one row. And then the first row is this one, QW, second row is SD, third row is ZXC. So basically you can add this into the set, and then using a contains O to traverse every single string in the string array. So yeah, so let's do this, and then this will be the first solution because it will be easier to start it. The next one will be a little bit tricky. So let's start it. So what I need to have is I need to create a return list of string. So this will be a return value because I will say result dot to array, and I will convert to a string array. So it's 2 column, right? So it should be returned, right? So yeah, so what I need is what set, and it will be character, and I will say first row equal to to set. Add in this string in here, and then second row equal to set, and then it will be this one, and the third row will be to set, and it will be this one. So let's just start my to set. So probably it should be set character to set. So what we have is the element of string. So I'm going to say word. So I can return the set of character based on the string array. So it's going to be words.char. So I'll convert to char's array dot map to object, and then using the C to convert that to C, and then convert it. So I map the char, the character inside the string, into the set. So using a collector dot to set. So this is how you convert from string to the HashSet, set of character. So once I have that, I can say for string word to words. So every single word I can convert to the set. So I'm going to say set character. I'm going to say, it should be input. So input equal to set using the word, right? So now I can use the contains O. So if everything in the inputs set is in the first row or second row or third row, then you will return true. So if first row dot contains O, and then you will add the word, right? Add a word. So this imply on second row and third row, second row and third row. So what does contains O? Like contains O, you want to check does these two set are having the same character, having the same element in the set. If they are, then you can return true. If they are not, then it's false. Alright, once you have this, you should be fine. Yeah, should be fine. 1 second. So I need to convert to a lowercase, right? Yeah, so make sure you convert to lowercase when you put into to set. So words dot to lowercase. Forget about this, but yeah. So this will be it. So time and space. This is a space. This is also a space. So I would say it's all of the element inside the row or element inside a word. So I would say all of W for the worst case, because this is actually a constant and we don't know the length of the word. So it's all of W for the space, and this will be a time. So this is all of W, and using contains O, and this is constant, right? So you traverse every single one to make sure it's, you know, match. So the worst case I would say all of N, because these are considered what? These are considered constant. So, and you convert, this is all of W depending on the word, right? But it's only on, it's two sides that you convert this. So all of W, and this would be all of little w. So the worst case is going to be all of W. If you want to say it's going to be NW. So N represent what? The length of the words. And then let us lowercase w represent the word only. So this will be one solution. And this one will be tricky because I can actually, you know, create a content array to make sure my A is on second row, B is on third row. So list of string, still I'm going to create a list of like list of string, and then I will just return this guy. Okay, so I'm going to copy this one. So copy the in array. So this will be it. So I'm going to quickly explain what this means. So letter A, you're on the second row. Letter B, third. Letter C, third. And then letter D, second, and so on. Right. So once we have this, we want to make sure when we traverse the element inside the string array, we want to make sure they are on the same row using a boolean. So it will be better to me to start typing. So I will have to create string input, make sure it's to lowercase so I don't make a mistake again. And I'm going to use a target rule. So I'm just get an element for the first one. So char at 0 minus A, but this is not the raw number. The raw number is this, right? I get the first value from the input and see does my value inside a content array, which value, which row is in the first letter in the input, and then I will traverse the rest of them, right? So I will also have a boolean is send initial equal to true. So I'm traversing the char C input, should be input to char array. I'm going to traverse every single one C inside my row. So C minus A. Does this value does not equal to the target row, I'm going to set this value equal to false and break out the for loop. And then if it's the same, then I will just add to the list using the word, not the input. If not, I'm going to ignore. So this will be it. Yeah, so this definitely a little bit better because you only have one content array, and this you create a string for every single word because you want to convert to lowercase, and this is every single letter word into the, you know, checking the every single element, you know, the row number inside the row array. But for the time, this is all of W or all of N, depending on what you call, and this is all of smaller w, something like this. This is capital W. So the time complexity is going to be all of the worst case is N W, all of N W. And for the space, this is space. I'm just say it's all of N. Now you can add every single element every single string array words inside the list of string. So this will be a little bit, challenging to think about this type of solution using a content array. But anyway, so if you have a question, leave a comment, and I'll see you later. Bye.